Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to private your Facebook account. This works on Android and iOS devices both, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to know how to make your Facebook account private. It's a quick and easy, so without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the Facebook mobile application, then you have to click on the three lines and then you have to click on the gear icon, and here in the search bar, you have to search for privacy, and here you have to click on the privacy checkup. Now it will show you the 5 different options. First of all, we will click on this orange one who can see what you share. You simply have to click on continue, and here you have to select all of the options to only me, and then you have to click on next. You have to turn off the comments and to select only me. You can select the custom peoples. You can choose who can view your story, and you can also hide story from some persons. After that, you simply have to go back and you have to click on next and add the person in your block list, and after that you have to click on next and then you have to click on another topic. Now we are shifting to this blue one, how to keep your account secure. We'll click on next and turn on these two options. I don't need them and I'm going to skip this option. You can also change the password of your account from here. I don't really change, and then I will click skip and I will review another. Then I'll click on how to find people, how we find you on Facebook. Then I'll click on continue and you have to select two friends of friends. You have to click on next, and here you have to click on me, click on next and to click on review another topic. Now the second option is of your data in face. You have to click on continue, then you have to click on next. Here you have to click again, and after that you have to go to another, and there is an add preference. You have to click on next, and after clicking all of these 5 options, your account has become private. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.